The Winter Olympics began yesterday in Beijing under the shadow of an alleged genocide. China's egregious human rights abuses include allegations of forced labor, detention, and the torture of Uyghur Muslims and other minority groups. Here with us to discuss and shine a light on this situation is Rushan Abbas. She's the founder and executive director of the campaign For Uyghurs. Rushan, we're very grateful to have you this morning and to get your perspective on this. Help our viewers understand what you and your family and other Uyghurs have faced in China.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity. The Uyghurs currently facing genocide because of our ethnic background. And my own sister, Dr. Rushan Abbas, 59 years old retired medical doctor, was taken by the Chinese government when I speak out against the government's genocidal crimes in my homeland and outlining fate of my in-laws. My husband's entire family is missing, 24 people. Since then, we have not heard anything about my sister, or my husband did not hear anything about his family. It has been more than 42 months now. Myself, my brothers, and her 2 daughters are suffering with our daily torment. So what's happening to Uyghurs right now? If you ask, the Chinese government is holding more than 3 million Uyghurs in concentration camps, and also glorifying the modern-day slavery, sending millions of Uyghurs to the forced labor facilities. For Uyghur women, even if they just wear a headscarf and just the like a long tunic shirts which covers behind, and for men having a facial hair like a beards or not drinking alcohol, they're all viewed as illegal and Islamic extremism, and these can be the reasons to take them to the concentration camps.
Rushan, I want to share with our viewers something you wrote in an op-ed this week. You wrote, quote, "We have no confidence in the IOC, the International Olympic Committee, and neither should its athletes, sponsors, or you. To do nothing is to have blood on our hands. The future will never forgive us. We are all responsible for what happens next." So what can the average person do to make a difference in this situation with so many powerful players at stake? How do we help Uyghurs?
Well, the International Olympic Committee is once again complicit with genocide, just like what they did in the 1936. While the Uyghur women are facing forced marriage, mass rape and the sexual torture, and the forced abortions, forced sterilizations, you don't see a lot of people being vocal. That's what frustrates me. I ask everyone to do the right thing and do not watch the Beijing Olympic Games and be vocal, speak about China's crimes against humanity. Be the voice for those millions of voiceless people. Share the Uyghur stories in your social media. You know, I ask, where are the celebrities in Hollywood, NBA, and the NFL who are normally so vocal against any sort of social injustice? When the perpetrator is Chinese government and that they have a money and the power, are they going to choose the money over humanity and to be continued to be silent? Please break your silence and use your freedom in this country. Do not allow China to wage war against the freedom and against democracy while controlling everyone in the world by the blood money they are making from the Uyghur slaves.
Rushan Abbas, it is a very powerful message, and we appreciate you speaking up and sharing your story with us. Thank you so much for the time.
Thank you.
Of course. Don't go anywhere. CNN New Day is back with more after a quick break.